Was it that much, or are you thinking about quilts too? I can't
We got
remember.
them by themselves.
Oh, did we? I didn't think they were that much, but anyway, we've looking forward to trying them out, and uh, I guess I could walk you around to see if I can. Here, hold my coffee here while I get up. Kind of closed it up a little bit. We're hanging from this oak tree here, both of us, and then we're going to that double tree over there. We got pull outs on the sides, and there's plenty of room inside. You can walk in and you see all the room. Well, I don't know if you can see in here or not, but there's plenty of room. It is just big. We could bring our chairs in here and sit down. You know, well, you could probably put several chairs on each side, but just plenty of room. And then the roof is, the center line or ridge line is oh, I don't know, it's above our heads, but very nice setup. We are tickled with it. This is the 16-foot Kelty's Noah's tarp, and there's the other side of it. But beautiful day here, October 21, right, or 22. Sun has already went down. The leaves are changing, and we're fixing to eat our supper. And tomorrow, Lord willing, we'll gonna go for a short hike, just a couple miles. Take it easy. Last week we put in a lot of miles, and so try to take it easy this week.
He wore me out last week. He let me see how old I was.
But we decided instead of going to the wilderness area, we'd do some car camping this time and kind of take it easy. You know, just a nice, relaxing kind of trip. You need that every once in a while, don't you? Get away and yeah, 16-foot Kelty's Kelty Noah's tarp 16.
Where we'll live and never die. Sit down by the river of life. Linger just a little while. Walk a little farther on down the streets of gold. See Jesus and the saints of old. Talk about the half that ain't been told. Don't it make you wanna go?
We fared through the evening. It's 36 degrees. I have a CPAP machine that we got, a travel CPAP. It don't have a humidifier on it. And oh, my face froze all night. I mean, it hurt from being so cold all night long. It's all bundled up. Her cold this morning. Look at that. Hi. It's still about 37, 38 degrees out here. Got up this morning and cooked our breakfast. Had some oatmeal and some coffee, and he had oatmeal and tea. But he's wanting to go on a hike. I don't know if we're going to spend another night or not. We'll see.
Everybody out there's running to and fro, not knowing what direction that they need to go. They keep running right in to another dead end, and if they'd only look, they would see there's one who knows each step we need to take, and for all those who follow, he will show the way to the life we're looking for. one with peace and so much more. And all we'd have to do is let him lead. I'm following the leader. Everywhere I go, I'm going with my Savior. No more walking all alone, so afraid of the unknown. I just trust the one who walks in front of me. I don't worry about tomorrow. Where he leads me, I will follow. And when this whole world gets dim, I just keep my eyes on him. 'Cause he's the only one I need to see. Life is so much sweeter when I'm following the leader. I may not always know exactly where he's taking me, but he brought me from a place that I don't want to be. So I'll carry on ahead with my faith in what he said, that he'd be there to help me every day. 'Cause with 1,000 different roads out there for me to use, if I had to pick, I wouldn't know which one to choose. But there's nothing left to fear when my Jesus is so near. 'Cause he's not just a God, he is the way. I'm following the leader. Everywhere I go, I'm going with my Savior. No more walking all alone, so afraid of the unknown. I just trust the one who walks in front of me.
Alrighty, well, we're going to try something we've never tried to do before, and that is an upside down fire. So we took all our bigger stuff, it's softball size, length's about, I don't know, 1.5 feet or so, and we put layer by layer crisscrossed it up to the smaller stuff on the top. And so there's, as high as that fire ring is, as high as the wood stacked in there. And then we'll light our kindling on the top of it, and supposedly it burns down to the bottom. Well, I've never tried it, so we're going to see how it does.
We get it started, we'll come back. So what are you having?
I am having a ramen bomb.
A ramen bomb.
Yeah, I hope it don't blow up in your head.
Oh, well, I hope not either. And I'm waiting for my water. I'm going to have some rice and some Spam cut up in it, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of onion, and chicken bouillon. It's like a bonfire. Upside down fire.
ahead, when God will judge both the quick and the dead. Will your name be found among the good and right when the book of life is read? When the book of life is read. Get ready, Jesus is coming, get ready. Jesus is coming, it could be morning, night, or noon, but Jesus is coming soon. Get ready, Jesus is coming, get ready. Jesus is coming, it could be morning, night, or noon, but Jesus is coming soon. Song, for the good book tells us that it won't be long till the bride goes to live in her heavenly home. Will you be left when we're gone? Will you be left when we're gone? Get ready, Jesus is coming, get ready. Jesus is coming, it could be morning, night, or noon, but Jesus is coming soon. Get ready, Jesus is coming, get ready. Jesus is coming, it could be morning, night, or noon, but Jesus is coming.
Good morning from Meriwether Lewis campground. It is, I don't know, 7 something in the morning. We're just laying around taking it easy this morning. Alarm went off at, what time was it, Miss Molly?
6.
It's 7 o'clock straight up, so.
It's 6:40 something, I guess.
7 o'clock straight up and 41 degrees this morning. Oh, mercy.
My machine alarm.
Yeah. We had a good night's rest last night, man. We both slept really good. And, it's a beautiful day, looks like, out there.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine?
I reckon we got to get up and get something to eat. Get some oatmeal or something. And get camp broke down, packed up. Maybe.
Go home.
And go home.
Go home.
Go home.
I didn't get so cold last night. I kept, with my machine, I kept my head all the way down inside my overquilt.
Either what, you don't get condensation in there.
Well, it's better than my nose freezing off and falling off. Yesterday morning, my face was so cold it hurt. If I would have smiled, it would have cracked.
Cracked already, see?
Had our Bible study last night via video call to our people by the fire.
Yeah, by the fire. I need to light a fire and make something hot, coffee or something.
I might just have some hot coffee and then start packing, eat something when I get home. I don't know, we'll see.
I think I just want to lay here for a little while longer.
Me too. I don't want to get up.
All
All of our stuff hang. Last night, I woke up one time and looked over and forgot my pants was hanging there and saw someone was standing in between us. I said, oh no!
When Adam and Eve believed on the lies of Satan in the garden that day, it seemed all was lost. How great was the cost was waiting before time began, and into the battle he came. And Jesus came to the rescue. When he fought the battle, we won the war. Although we were sinners and surely to blame, to the rescue our Savior came. Oh, to the rescue our Savior came.
Alrighty, back at you this morning. We're heading back to the house. I think it's October 24th today. Beautiful night. Got down to like 40 degrees, and just had a good night's sleep. Miss Molly said she had a wonderful night's sleep.
Just kidding.
Okay. Said she had a wonderful night's sleep. Somebody was hitchhiking there. He said, "I'm just kidding." But I done lost my train of thought now. At any rate, we had a good trip. You know, neither one of us really like car camping a whole lot, but we needed yeah, it is boring. We needed just an easy getaway this time, so that works, and it was pleasant. There was a lot of people camping there at this Meriwether Lewis campground this time. We was amazed at how many people there were. Still traveling to Trace. I don't have anything else to add. Miss Molly, how about you?
No, I reckon not. I know that first night I about froze to death with my CPAP mask. Last night I went ahead and just pulled my overquilt over me, plus pulled my cap I had, sleeping cap. I pulled it down over it too, so it kept me warm all night. So I know what the trick is now, so that's a biggie.
That's a biggie.
Yesterday morning I got up and my nose and everything was so frozen I thought it was going to fall off.
Well, of course, it was, warmer too. 5 degrees warmer just about.
It was 36
4 degrees
degrees night before last, and last night it was got
40.
to 40. So, but we'll get back with you if you have anything else to say. We're heading on home.
Like old Adam, sometimes we will stray and fall into Satan's dark plan. That's when we should turn and give up all our will to the leader who's more than a man. And Jesus came to the rescue. When he fought the battle, we won the war. Although we were sinners and surely to blame, to the rescue our Savior came. Oh, to the rescue our Savior came. And Jesus came to the
The journey is sweet, for Jesus walks near. There's no need when he's here to worry or fear. But when I face a trial that puts me to the test, I'll trust him to lead me, for he knows what's best. I'd still walk with Jesus, for nothing compares to the joy of